the most merciful, the most gracious. Good evening, Toastmaster, Madam Toastmaster, dear fellows, and dear guests. Today is 22nd of January, and I am first time ever in my life on the stage in front of the audience, about to deliver my first speech. And in today's speech, I'm going to talk about myself, who I am, where I come from, and why I came in London. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Qasim. About 28 years ago, I was born in Pakistan. I raised up there. I finished my school and college there. After my graduation from Pakistan, I wanted to be a successful person in my life. So what was a success to me that time? To have a lot of money, to have a good car, a nice house, a good business, desires like everybody else. I started my success journey by coming in London in 2010 as a student. I got admission in Blackhall College in Canada Water, and I passed my level 4 and level 5 in business. Then I moved to another college and I completed my level 6 and postgraduate in business and management. Finally, I passed my MA Marketing and Innovation from Anglia Ruskin University in the middle of 2015. Dear fellows, today I have everything. I have money to survive. I have a nice house to live. I have a business to run. And I have a car to drive. But when I come to the question, is it me successful? Then the answer comes from inside, no. Why is no? Because today, the meaning of success is changed to me. My recent studies brought me to the point where I realized the real success is something else than to have money, a car, or a house. Now the question is, what is the real success? I give you an example. Does anybody know who is Mr. Ralph C. Smedley? Mr. Ralph C. Smedley is a founder of Toastmaster.
Oh, shame on you guys.
He born in 22nd of February 1878 in US. He died in the age of 87 years old in 1965. After his graduation, while he was doing a job as a director of YMCA, he realized that people who are associated with YMCA, they need to improve their communication skills. Smedley created a club to help those people. And the first formal meeting was held in YMCA on the 22nd of October 1924. Since then till today, Toastmaster is providing services to the people. Toastmasters making leaders. Toastmasters giving an opportunity to the people, they can develop and improve their skills. Now, today we all know what is the importance of Toastmasters to us. What kind of skills, we can improve, what kind of benefits we can take by staying a member of a Toastmaster. Ladies and gentlemen, to create a Toastmaster and to help the YMCA people, to create a Toastmaster and to make it an educational organization, to create a Toastmaster, to spread it nationally and internationally, and finally to create a Toastmaster and to keep it or remain it non-profitable organization. For such a big effort of Mr. Ross Smedley, I really want to pay a small tribute to Mr. Ross Smedley by clapping for 5 to 10 seconds. Will you please join me to clap for Mr. Ross Smedley? Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, this is a real success, where you leave something behind, where you create a service, where you create something to give to the people. Thank you very much.